Not too much yet. I don't know, 4 or 5 inches. Here where I'm standing. Oh, in between the cars is a lot more. Oh, they've already plowed our parking lot a bit. I just want to go take a peek at our motorcycle. Can't really see in the camera how it's coming down. Wind's not too strong though. Oh, there's a gust. Oh yeah. There's the bike. It's doing alright. Should be fine. Hiding here from the wind next to this SUV. Okay. Elsa in the snow.
Daddy, look at the grass.
It's really coming down.
Look at
What
the
grass?
Look at the grass.
There's no grass?
Look at the white grass. Grass,
It's not very deep here on the deck. We had some cover. It's just what the wind blew underneath. So, but it's still about a foot deep out here. I'm gonna go out front, check it out. Still coming down. This is after about I don't know, 12, 15 hours of snow. Let's go check out the front. It is blizzard conditions at our house today. Winds have picked up since the snow started yesterday, and it is coming down faster than ever. It's going to be even difficult just to get this door open. Just the wind's blowing it all in under the overhang. Good times. I found my motorcycle. See, it's like camouflaged. You know, just another snowdrift. But if you go walk around after the car pulled out, you catch a glimpse of the tarp. Crazy. Alright, I'm just glad nobody tried to plow the snowdrift. Hello. I've never driven around with snow piled up this high. Maybe like up in the mountains in Utah. Maybe Park City gets like this after a few storms. Absolute nuts.